Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Claude AI to write Excel formulas to automate spreadsheets. If you are using Claude AI and you want to write Excel formulas to automate your spreadsheet, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your browser and your PC, go to search, and here this is Claude AI. Make sure that you are logged in or signed into your account. Now, once you are at this interface, you just have to write a simple prompt to get formulas. So let's start with beginner. So let's say I have a basic prompt here. I'm gonna pasting it. Once you have pasted your prompt, just click on the submit option, and it will give you the formula relating to your prompt or relating to your issue or relating to your requirement or need. So here is the formula and here is the description or detail how this formula will work. So let's try another. So I'm going to pasting it here that I'm new to Excel. Explain the half, sum, count, average, overlook, XLOOKUP and index or match function, simple example and practice exercises. So you just have to submit this. Once you have done, it will create these formulas. It will also give you simple examples and some practice exercises. So in this way, you can easily generate spreadsheet or Excel formulas using Claude AI to automate your Excel. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.